Hello again, I am David Gingerich with Creative Products Group, and I am here to talk a little bit more about our Versa Pro line of baggage locks. First, we have our retro style lock, which is a style of lock that's been used in the field for multiple years. It's going to be keyed to a Global Pro Series code. It has a pre-installed foam gasket for a watertight seal. We also have our Versa M, which is the same style of lock, but it's got a little bit of an upgraded finish for an upgraded look and feel with the plunger mounted to the faceplate that will actually go through the extrusion. It also comes with a metal backplate, which can be used as a upgrade to the plastic backplates that are used by the manufacturers. It also comes with a pre-installed foam gasket. The last one we have is our Versa V baggage lock. This is a sandwich style baggage lock with the plunger mounted to the back plate, which is then mounted behind the extrusion. It also comes with a pre-installed foam gasket for a watertight seal. And now I'm going to show you a quick how to remove one of these latches and then do a quick installation to show you how that's done as well. Okay, now we'll be running through a demonstration on how to remove and install our Versa M lock. This lock, you will be able to see, has the plunger that is mounted through the extrusion that is mounted to the faceplate. This lock has a metal backplate. You will remove these 4 screws. This backplate will pull straight out, and then you'll have to pull the faceplate so the plunger comes out of the door extrusion. So now I will remove these and show you how to remove the lock. That backplate pulls straight out like that. And then the front plate pulls straight out through there. Okay, now we'll just run through the installation process as well. You'll have to put the plunger through the door and snake it through this little cutout through the extrusion. Like that, make sure it's lined up. And you will attach the back plate, line that up, and then install your 4 screws. Once you have installed those 4 screws, shut the door, make sure it closes properly. Once it closes properly, you have successfully run through a installation of our Versa M baggage door lock. Here we'll be demonstrating on how to remove and install a Versa V baggage lock. You will be able to identify this lock when you open the door. The plunger will be mounted to the back plate, which is then mounted behind the extrusion. So first you'll just remove these 4 screws on the back here. Once you have those 4 screws removed, that back plate pulls off just as easy as that. And then when you have that off, the front plate just pulls off just as easy, just like that. Now that that lock is out, we can go over the installation process. So now you have your new Versa V lock. Goes apart just the same. You just insert the faceplate just like that to make sure it's covered completely. You have a nice seal with the foam gasket. Then you will simply just push in this plunger so this actuator moves down in place right there. And then make sure that's down. You will just align it and then fasten your screws just the same way you took them out. Once you have those 4 screws tightened, open and close it a few times just to make sure you have proper seal here. There's no bubbles on the sides here. Once you have completed all that, you have successfully completed the installation of a Versa V baggage door lock. Thank you for tuning in. Again, my name is David Gingerich with Creative Products Group. If you have any questions or need any further information on these locks, please feel free to visit us at our website, which is cpgbrands.com, or our contact information is in the description below.